Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Pulse credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Pulse credit card, open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.pulsecard.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site. From the official page, go and click the login button at the top right hand corner. But remember that you'll only be able to log into your card once you activate it. So if you've not done that yet, you can click on this Let's Get Activated button and follow through the on-screen prompts. After clicking the login button, you can now go ahead and enter your credentials for your Pulse account. Type in your username in the first text box that appears on the screen. If you've forgotten your username, click on the Forgotten Username link and follow through the on-screen prompts. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this little box that says Remember My Username, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. After entering your username, you can click the Next button. On the next page, you'll need to type in your password. Simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts till the end and provide the valid details, and you'll be able to log into your Pulse credit card online. Pulse credit card is a type of credit card offered by a financial institution. You can now easily manage your credit card accounts from anywhere at any time. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.